Let's spell pronouns. He, spell he. H, E. H, E. He. He is strong. He. Spell she. She. S, H, E. S, H, E. She. She is my friend. She. Spell we. We. W, E. W, E. We. We are cleaning our room. We. Spell they. They. T, H, E, Y. T, H, E, Y. They. They are my friends. They. You, spell you. Y, O, U. Y, O, U. You. You look nice. You. Spell it. It. I, T. I, T. It. This is my bag. It is red. It. Spell him. Him. H, I, M. H, I, M. Him. I saw him in the car. Him. Spell her. Her. H, E, R. H, E, R. Her. Mother gave her a gift. Her. Spell my. My. M, Y. M, Y. My. This is my bike. My. Spell your. Your. Y, O, U, R. Y, O, U, R. Your. Is this your book? Your. Spell our. Our. O, U, R. O, U, R. Our. This is our home. Our. You are awesome. Goodbye.